Okay, taking a look at the engine of the BMW 328 Cabriolet, because I just purchased. It's a V6, and I think they just added these for extra reinforcement in higher speed, and these are new additions to the car. And the engine is a 3-liter V6 non-turbo. This is the non-turbo version of the Beamer, and I have driven this car for more than a month now, and it's not as powerful as the turbo, but it's very comfortable and smooth engine. There's no hard noises or anything. Very, very stable, very nice, and it's a lovely engine. Of course, the door stays open as all the BMWs. Don't need to put any support or anything. And Visinen basically now one thing that I try to show you is this written here, that it's the BMW Dynamic Xenon V1S, and it gives all the dimensions and everything. I apologize about that instability on the lights. It's because of the camera. So this is the engine. That, I believe, is the mechanical coil, and the washer fluid. I'm not sure how to check it, but you can check some of the engine from the computer inside the car. This should be the brake, I think, and the head of the engine. I believe this is all aluminum, but I need to check. I'm not 100% sure that if the engine is all aluminum or the heads are aluminum and the core is iron. But I assume it's aluminum because the car is light, it's not a heavy car. Anyway guys, if you are considering purchasing the BMW, this is a 2011 model, and the 2012 the engine is different. It's a 2-liter V4-cylinder turbo engine. Some say it's as good. I think the V6 is smoother. It's like a velvet, the V6. Anyway, have a good time and talk to you later. Bye.